Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see file extensions. So here what they have asked us to do is, in a file called extensions.py, implement a program that prompts the user for a name of a file and then output that file's media type if the field ends with um, if the field name ends, case insensitively in case of the suffix. So they have given us small suffixes, so we are going to say what kind of file it is. If the file name ends with some other suffix or no suffix at all, we are going to write application by octet extreme. Okay, so which is default for us. So yeah, let us try. So how we are going to write the suffix? So here is the website for that. Yeah, we can just click on, see that here we have many suffixes and the format what we want to write. For example, if someone is writing maybe zip dot zip file, so for dot zip, here is the suffix called application hyphen zip. So this is the one which we are going to print it. So to make it easy, I have already created the extensions file for us and py page for extensions, and I have copied all the file name with the file tag. It is just commented out so that we can use it whenever we need. Okay, so let us start the program. First we need to ask the file name from the user. So file name is equal to input, enter the file name. So we are asking the file name to the user, and once we get, they have said it should be case insensitive, so I am just writing lower. So first we are going to check if this file name is going to contain dot, because if there is a dot we can say that that file will be inside with the extension, or else we can just directly do also. If file name dot first one is gif, correct? So we are going to write if dot gif in f, then what am I going to do is I am going to print. So here I have already written for us what I need to print, image hyphen gif. So this is my format. So if it is gif, I am going to print this particular one. So if it is JPEG, like that, so we are going to use our elif statement. So if we are going to use more elif statement or more things like that, we need multiple cursors, right? So here is a small trick for Mac users. You can press option button, and if you click, you can have multiple cursors here. If you can see, I am having some multiple cursors. Now what I am going to write, I am going to write elif. So it will write that much time. Elif hyphen dot, and I don't know, it will change for everything, right? So I have just closed it in F. So if this is happening, what should I print? I should print something, I will print, and okay, so inside double quotes something I will print, and then I will end my double quotes and end my here. So this will be easily available for us so that we can write, right? Instead of copy pasting multiple times, we can use this. So here the next one is JPEG or JPEG. For both the file format printing is same. So I will just write dot JPG in F or dot JPEG in F. So for both the cases, what am I going to print? I am going to print image.jpg. Okay. Then the next one is PNG, image.png. Okay. PNG. What am I going to print? Image hyphen PNG. And then the next one here is PDF, application hyphen PDF. So PDF. The next one, dot text means text hyphen plain. What am I going to print? Text hyphen plain. The next one, dot zip means application hyphen zip. Okay, so anything other than all these, so these are extras for us, we can just remove them. So anything other than this, else what am I going to print? I am going to just print, they have given us the default one, application octet string. Okay, I think the code is complete. We have printed everything. Okay, let us try to write and see the program. So we can just go directly to the check part so that it will already say us if there are any frowns or all green smileys. Yeah, let us check. So I think this multiple cursor is going to be very useful for you in case of you're going to write many if else statement. Yeah, all are green smileys, so our code is perfectly working. Now let us just submit this particular code. Okay. Yep. And that's it for today, friends. As usual, remember the drill. Go and check your gradebook whether it has been updated or not. After that, you can continue with your next program. Okay. Tada, bye bye. And this is Shravanti shining off from you.